Here I have REALME C11 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the networks and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you can switch your hotspot. You can also change its name here, you can select its security protocol, you can change its password, you can set it to turn off automatically when nobody is connected to your hotspot. You can set up maximum amount of connections, you can hide your SSID, you can enable whitelist mode. Here you can add devices to your whitelist, and here you can also see connected devices, connected users. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.